Positive thoughts create positivity. Positivity creates positive realities. Positivity opens up avenues for progress and growth. Positivity creates joy and happiness in whatever it is that you want to manifest. But there is a catch. What if a negative thought is wrongly perceived as a positive one? What happens then? This video talks in depth with how this can happen and so how you should recognize it and then deal with it. You will be equipped with all the knowledge and resources from being deprived of your manifestations. Interested? Let's jump right in. Just before we get into this, please take the time now to pause this video for a bit and subscribe to my channel. Do you think my channel is offering you insights and value? Please like this video and share it with your friends, acquaintances, and family. Okay, let's jump right into it. Let's say you want a loving life partner. This decision will evoke a positive feeling inside of you. You will work with this positive feeling, hoping that you will get to your desired outcome of a loving life partner. But guess what? It won't work. Why? That's because you started on the wrong foot. You started with the thought that you want a loving life partner. What does wanting mean? To your subconscious mind, wanting implies something that you don't have but would like to have. So when you say you want something, you are emitting the lack of it. In this case, you are feeling the lack of a life partner, and it is this feeling of lack that you are transmitting. Please remember that law of attraction doesn't work on the basis of thoughts, but on the basis of the felt emotion. In this case, while you were thinking that you wanted a loving life partner, the subtle feeling you transmitted was that of the lack of a loving life partner. The wanting implies a craving. A craving comes from a place of lack and scarcity. The subconscious mind will pick up on that. Law of attraction will kick in. And what will it do? It will create incidents, events, synchronicities, and realities that support this lack. So while you go practicing the law of attraction, you will experience a reality that will support the deprivation of a loving life partner. Scary? Well, we can set this right easily. No big deal. Just change the wanting to being or having. So instead of starting with the decision of wanting a loving life partner, you start with the feeling of already having a loving life partner. Understand that you have a loving life partner the moment you desire for it from a place of abundance. I have another dedicated video on this channel that explains this in more detail. Anyway, only when you feel that you do have a loving life partner already, only when you start living at the end of your manifestations, as Neville Goddard said, only then will the universe start moving for you and start to create what it is that you want. This is the secret. I have a resource which is in form of a video that offers a valuable perspective of how you can have a loving life partner. The video is long, but if you are really serious about love, I would recommend that you invest that time in watching it. The link to this video is in the description below. That brings me to the end of this video. The purpose of this video was to explain how the thought of lack can come disguised as a positive thought. How and why you should be careful of such a thought, and most importantly, how to flip it around and get to your desired outcome. Whether that desired outcome is money, a loving life partner, healing, health, freedom to live your life on your own terms, or anything else. Let me know what you feel about this video. Thanks for watching.